To map a drive in network, first I need to share the drive. I'm using Windows 10 to share the drive. Go to File Explorer, click on this PC. I'm going to share this drive D. Right click on D drive, click on Properties. In Properties, click on Sharing tab, click on Advanced Sharing, click on Share this folder, go to Permissions. You can give permission to everyone or you can give permission to a specific user by adding the username here. By default, read permission is assigned here. You can give change permission or you can give full access permission. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Again click on Apply, then click on OK, then close. Now I need to know the IP address of this computer. Go to search, type cmd, open command prompt, and then type ipconfig, hit enter. The IP address of this computer is 10.17.54.38. Close command prompt. And now I am going to my Windows 11 computer where I want to map the network drive. In my Windows 11 computer, to map the drive, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type the IP address // 10, 17, 54 and 38. Now click on OK. This is the drive D which I have shared. Here D drive is showing as shared folder. Now I am going to map this D drive. Now double click on the D drive and click on the address bar and select the address and right click and click on copy. Click on this PC. Click on three dot icon to see more. Here you will find an option Map Network Drive. Click on Map Network Drive. The drive data G is selected by default. You can change the drive data as you wish. I am not changing. In folder path, just paste the address you have copied earlier. Click on Finish. The drive is mapped. Click on this PC. The drive letter G and its original drive letter is D is mapped on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.